Guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I have perfumes from Iba Halal that I want to review for you. This is a video of perfume on a budget. This is a gift set. I think I purchased it for around 569 something, kuch sale pe tha, but originally iska price hai 899 rupees, but it is always on sale. So like all the affordable perfumes jiski lasting power bahut kam hoti hai, Iba Halal apparently has successfully made perfumes that last for a very long time. It is called as Iba Halal, Iba actually, not Halal, Iba perfume set, and it is a perfume set. It says all day long lasting fragrances that you can count on. There are 3 perfumes in here. I'm going to show you, but I like packaging that mention everything, including the ingredients and everything, with all the info here at the back, which is very good. So there is 3 perfumes in here: Kashmir Meadows, Raindrops, and Mumbai Glam. I think Iba's signature scent is their Raindrops, but then Kashmir Meadows and Mumbai Glam is new. Everything is mentioned, guys, at the back, okay? And the packaging is super cute. You can gift this box just as is, or maybe, you can nicely wrap it up and, gift it to someone. Talking about gifts, did I forget to mention that this video also has a giveaway? I also forget to mention that from this month onwards, which is July 2024 up till December 2024, there will be giveaways every single month, or probably 2 or maybe 3 giveaways every month. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. It is only for my subscribers. Also make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because I will be posting everything concerning the giveaways, including when I'm dispatching products, who are the winners, etc. etc. on Instagram, and that is where you will tag me also once you received your gift, okay? So this video has a giveaway, and I would be sending one of you this gift box, so that you can try out and you can let me know what your take on this particular perfume set is, okay? I'm going to leave my Insta handle on the screen. I will also leave the link of my Instagram in the description box below. I will probably pin it in the comment section as well, okay? So let's quickly get started. So there are 3 perfumes in here: 15 ml spray bottles, glass bottles, and they're pretty long lasting. So even 15 ml is going to last you for a while. So we have the classic old Raindrops, we have Kashmir Meadows, and we have Mumbai Glam. So the first perfume that I would be reviewing here is Mumbai Glam. This is a floral, fruity, and a very seductive scent. Top note of Mumbai Glam is very fruity. It opens up with tangerine, pineapple, and grapefruit, and it very beautifully blends into the middle notes that are, red berries, jasmine, and vanilla. So it is very seductive and warm, and I simply love the base note. So the base note is actually the last note of a perfume, which lasts for the longest time. So agar aapko perfume lagaye 1 घंटा हो गया hai, and if you're smelling the perfume, that is actually the last note of the perfume. And in this perfume, the base note is woody, it is musky, it has oak moss, the vanilla gives it a little bit of a warmth, so it is very mouth-watering, which is literally what is happening to me right now. I'm really giving Iba a thumbs up for this one. It is actually a perfume oil, guys. It is an eau de parfum, but in my opinion, I think they have kept the perfume oil in a spray bottle, because it definitely feels slightly oily when you spray it. It is a very, very fine spray. It is not like it is a gushing spray that you can feel. You cannot feel the spray when you spray it on yourself, but it definitely leaves a bit of a sheen. So I'm assuming that they have kept the originality of the perfume oils while in a spray bottle, while making it not as overwhelming as probably perfume oils are. The perfume can be slightly overwhelming in the first spray, and that happens with all the perfumes. आपको लगेगा बहुत ज़्यादा perfume है ये, और बहुत, अगर आप बहुत used to नहीं हो perfumes के and you like milder perfumes, you will probably feel कि it is too much. But don't worry, it settles on your skin. It blends with the oil and the pH of your body, and then eventually it is milder and it is much more beautiful smelling than what it actually, sort of smells in the first spritz. So just give this a bit of time. As I always say, like, is my cliched statement and a very repetitive statement for perfume. These are like relationships. Perfumes are like relationships. They take a bit of time to actually evolve. Give the perfumes a bit of a space and a bit of a time so that they can actually beautifully evolve and blossom on you. Love Mumbai Glam. I never thought that it is going to be this good. Mumbai Glam is one scent which you can wear to college. You can wear, of course, I don't think people wear perfumes to school. I never wore perfumes to school, so don't do that. unless it is allowed in your school, but you can wear it to your college, you can wear it with your girlfriends while going out, whenever. You can wear it to your office. You can also wear it to any function occasion. It's a very all-rounder sort of a scent. And of course, it is every age group scent. From 16 to whatever age you are, you can wear it. So that is perfect. Now moving on to Kashmir Meadows. This is sort of a nostalgic scent for me. And while this can be a feminine scent, I think Kashmir Meadows is a unisex scent because it's just so nice. It is a very happy scent. It is a beautiful, light-hearted, happy scent. Kashmir Meadows is what I'm talking of. So after, I think, Raindrops, Kashmir Meadows is something that I really, really look forward to. Kashmir Meadows is actually a scent which is aqua, floral and sporty. So that's why probably it can be a unisex scent. I simply love this scent so much, guys. It smells amazing and so fresh. If you spray it on yourself after taking a bath, you're going to smell like this for the rest of your day, and it smells pretty positive and pretty happy, and it is pretty long lasting. Again, top note of Kashmir Meadows is melon, lotus and lemon. So it smells slight bit of a floral, slight bit of fruity, slight bit of, you know, savory scent, which is amazing. The top note, the opening note is amazing. It is not overwhelming at all, like the plastic chemically smell जो होता है ना सस्ते perfumes का, ऐसे बिल्कुल इसका fragrance नहीं है. It is very nice all the way from the top note till the base note. Middle note of this one is even more mouth-watering. It has jasmine, water lily and honey. Honey is something which I do not like in my scents, but I think it gives it a very balanced effect of the floral and the fruity notes. Honey balances everything out, and there's not a lot of honey, which in my opinion, like, because I don't like honey a lot in my perfumes. A lot of people do actually love honey in their perfumes. That kind of gives it a bit of thickness and richness. That's what I feel. So I love the middle note as well, and it very beautifully goes into the base note, which is vetiver, sandalwood, vanilla and musk. And oh my god, it is so mouth-watering. It is delicious. If you've tried this out, guys, Kashmir Meadows, please do let me know how do you like it. I mean, I would love to have your reviews on this one. They also have bigger bottles of this one, so if in case you love the test packaging, the tester packaging, I call it a tester packaging. If you like this gift set, you can go ahead and buy individual bigger bottles. They come in 100 ml bottles as well for around 550 rupees. So it's not very expensive. It is worth every single penny. My god, I love Kashmir Meadows. Moving on to the last but not the least, my all-time favorite, Iba's Raindrop. I don't think I've raved so much about any perfume as I have with Iba's Raindrops. It's amazing. It is very fresh. I have an entire video on Iba's Raindrops. You can watch that. It is a very old video, like 5-6 years back मैंने review किया था. But for all those people who are kind of new and beginning, I would just say that it is bright, floral and oriental. It is very fresh. It smells like Davidoff's Cool Water. So while I feel, even though they call it as eau de parfum, it is still the perfume oil. It is very lightweight, and as you spray perfume, जैसे हम कोई भी perfume spray करते हैं तो ठंडा feel होता है. इसमें आपको कुछ भी feel नहीं होगा कि आपने कुछ spray किया है. It does not contain any alcohols. Raindrops is my classic scent. My perfume collection is never ever complete without Iba's Raindrop. I mean, that's how much I love it. So it also comes in a bigger bottle, which of course I'm going to buy. Love this perfume a lot. Let's talk about the notes. What it mentions on the box is that it opens up with the note of grapefruit, green floral and ocean breeze. It is actually very fresh and aqua sort of notes, and the middle notes are absolutely stunning. It has lily, pink orchid and rose. Lately I've been really enjoying rose notes in my perfume, so this has the perfect middle note, the floral, lily, orchid and rose. Smells beautiful, guys. I love the base note of Raindrops. This one has sandalwood, it has patchouli and it has musk in it, so it is very oriental, but it is also very musky, sort of warm, and it has a lot of depth in it. Don't look any further. Don't look at any notes, just buy this set. You will not regret it. Like, for a price point of 550, 560, even for around 600 rupees, that makes this bottle for 200 rupees each. It is worth every single penny. And if you want to get this gift set for free, all that you have to do is that be subscribed to my channel, be a part of this beautiful family, like this video, comment in the comment section below which is the Iba Halal perfume that you've tried so far and which is your favorite. I'm going to leave every detail about the giveaway in the description box below. I will also pin a comment, and also follow me on Instagram so that you can get update on the winner's name. And of course, I will be contacting you through Instagram, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram for all the updates and everything, and make sure that you're subscribed because I'll be coming up with giveaway every single month. So I hope you have liked this video, guys. I hope that this video was useful for you. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel for product reviews, for a lot of giveaways, for handbag reviews, for a lot of haul videos. So if that is your jam, then this channel is for you. I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself and I love you all so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.